always have the fear of like people sending me something and then getting mad because I didn't review it or something for them. So I just really don't accept a lot of PR anyway. But there is this boutique that I have loved for years, and they sent me a package around Christmas time, and I was going through a pregnancy loss, and they never bothered me one time. Like, did you get your stuff? Are you going to make a video about it? Never bothered me. They were so kind. Jessica, who owns a boutique, she sent me something else after I never made a video with the stuff because it was all Christmas related. It was after Christmas. So this is called Sweeter Hallelujah Boutique. She sent me a sweet little note. It says, praying over you often. Keep being a light, my girl. Much love, Jessica. What do we got in here? I'm so excited. They have the cutest stuff. Jessica. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, Midwest. A Midwest girly. Oh my gosh, is this not me? She's a cutie patootie. Like, stop it. Stop it. She's adorable. Okay. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, do you guys have the little flower ones? Love these. Wax Melts. This one is blueberry waffles. She sent me Christmas tree cakes, the Little Debbie snack cakes. You know the ones over Christmas time. And there was another one. Oh my gosh, why is my brain not working? It's like cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh. Miss ma'am. Now I'm hungry. That's so good. All right, what do we got here? Stickers, focus on the good vibes. I can totally put these on like a cup. Some pretty flowers. Y'all know I am an earring junkie, okay? And you have to see these. These are so cute. They're gonna go with my Midwest sweatshirt. Adorable. Right, something else in here. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. It's a babe jug. Yes, ma'am. Got a strap. Y'all, we can take it with us. Water talk, where you at? We're gonna be meeting our water goals for sure. This is so awesome. Jessica, I'm so appreciative. Go check out Sweeter Hallelujah Boutique, and I cannot wait to wear my new sweatshirt.